Hello friends, I am Rajesh Bisne. Brief you on the numerical based on the velocity in mechanism using relative velocity method. So the numerical is in a figure, for example A, the angular velocity of crank OA is 600 rpm. So this is OA. Angular velocity of this one is n is equal to how much? Angular velocity is 600 rpm. Determine the linear velocity of slider D. Okay, linear velocity of slider D. The angular velocity of link BD. Angular velocity of link BD when the crank is inclined at an angle of 75 degree. So the angle of this crank with respect to the vertical line is 75 degree. To the vertical, the dimensions of various links are OA. This OA is equal to 28 millimeter. AB is equal to 44 millimeter. BC is equal to 49 millimeter, and BD, this one, is equal to 46 millimeter. The center distance between the centers of the O and C is equal to 65 millimeter. The path of slider is 11 mm below. So this is the path of slider, and this is 11 mm from the point number C. The slider moves along the horizontal path. So slider is moving along the horizontal path. Okay. So we have to find out the linear velocity of this slider D, linear velocity of slider D, and angular velocity of BD. Okay. So this slider, this link is rotates with the help of this crank, right? And crank and all those links are attached to the point number O. This is the supporting point only. Okay. So the velocity of the point number D or slider will be find out with respect to point number O only. Okay. So first of all, draw the space diagram. So select or draw first of all vertical line on the sheet. Then mark a point O at anywhere on the vertical line. From this vertical line, from the point number O, draw another line at 75 degree. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75. Mark the point here and then draw a line at 75 degree from the point number O, and then the distance of this point OA is, select a scale, that is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. So this is total length is how much? 28 will come here, 2.8 centimeter. So the distance between the OA is 2.8 centimeter. Okay. Now from the point number A, the distance of AB, distance of AB is given as 44 mm, that is 4.4 centimeter. So in the compass you can take, this is 4.4, and then you can mark the arc from the point number this A. Okay, likewise this one, and then you can draw an arc from the point A. Okay, like this one. Then point number C is at 65 mm from the point A O. So measure the distance of 65 mm from the point O. Okay, and then locate the point C, and from the point C just mark an arc at 4.9 because the distance of CB is 49, so 4.9 centimeter from the point C, and draw another arc. Okay, so both the arc will intersect at a point, that is nothing but the point B, and from the point C now the path of slider is at 11 mm below the point C. So on the vertical line just measure 1.1 centimeter, that is 1.1 centimeter from the point C, and draw a perpendicular line to the vertical line. This is the path of slider. Okay, and from the point number point B, just measure the distance 4.6 centimeter because the BD is 46 mm, 4.6, and mark the arc. Okay, here likewise this one. So this is how you can complete your space diagram. Coming to the velocity diagram, we need to first find out the velocity of O with respect to velocity of A with respect to O. Okay, velocity of point A with respect to O. So omega AO is equal to 2 pi n divided by 60. So 2 pi n is equal to here 600 rpm divided by 60, that comes to the 60.84 radian per second. So velocity of AO is equal to VA is equal to omega AO. Okay, omega AO जो पहले से अपन ने फाइंड आउट कर चुके हैं, into length of OA. So length of OA is given here in the numerical 28 mm, that is equal to 0.028 meter, and angular velocity of A with respect to O is equal to 62.84, so that comes to the 1.74 meter per second. So velocity of this one, velocity of A, VA, this one VA is equal to 1.78. So for the velocity diagram just mark point O and C. Since O and C are fixed, therefore these points are marked as a 1 point in the velocity diagram. Okay, that is the O and C at anywhere on this sheet. Then from the point number OC, draw a perpendicular line to the OA, starting from point O and C to the another one small a. So the distance of this OCA OA is equal to, I have chosen here the scale is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 2.2 meter per second. So 1.75, 1.76 multiplied by 2 is equal to here 3.52. So this distance will be 3.52 centimeter. Okay, so from point A now to draw the velocity of point B with respect to A, again draw perpendicular line to the line of AB from the space diagram. You can draw this likewise this one. Okay, ये आगे जाने दो उसको. And then again to find the velocity of point D with respect to B, again draw a perpendicular line from the space diagram इस तरह से. Okay, and then join this one. Okay, इधर इसको इधर लेके आओ. So you will get this point and this point also. So OC and D. Okay, this is the slider and this is the path of the slider. Okay, so draw parallel line from this, from the point O, it will intersect at the point D. So you will get this point, also this one, and velocity of point B with respect to C, velocity of point B with respect to C, यहाँ अपने को जैसे कि पॉइंट C मिल चुका है, So you can draw the perpendicular line here from here to here. So likewise you can find out the first of all OA, then A, that is 3.5 is equal to, that is 1.76 meter per second, then perpendicular to the AB, this line, then from O, from the point C perpendicular to BC, you can draw this line and this will intersect over here, you will get the point number B, and from the point number B you can draw another line which is perpendicular to the last line BD, and from the point OC you can draw horizontal line, that is the velocity of D will intersect over here. So likewise you can complete your velocity diagram. So now we have to find out the velocity of linear velocity of D, this, okay, VD. So the linear velocity from the measurement you can find out the OD is equal to 2.5. OD is equal to here 2.5, right? We have chosen here the scale is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 2 meter per second, that is why multiplied by 0.5 is equal to 1.25 meter per second. So this is your answer, first one. So angular velocity of the link BD is equal to, the velocity of BD is equal to 2.5, this one is BT is equal to 2.5, from the measurement also you can find, okay, this is 2.5 into half of that 1.25. So angular velocity of link BD is equal to linear velocity of BD divided by length of BD is equal to 1.25 divided by length of BD is equal to 46, this one is 46 mm, so 0.046 meter, which is comes to the 27.17 radian per second. Okay, clear? That's it. Thank you very much.